If you are holding XRP, I have a massive update for you in this video. We're going to be talking about what is taking place this week, how it's going to be affecting your XRP investment, and much more. It's going to be literally the biggest week in cryptocurrency we've had for many, many years. It's going to be absolutely crazy. The Fed is most likely going to be cutting rates. Are they going to be cutting more rates than people are expecting? There is so much going on, you can't even believe it. So make sure you guys give this video a thumbs up and stick around to the end of this video. So if we take a look at XRP here, we can see the market has bounced up. So XRP had bounced up from the bottom to the top 17%. That is a very significant move. We take a look at Bitcoin. Bitcoin bounced up almost 10%. So that is a very, very big move. You take a look at Ethereum. Ethereum bounced up 13%. Solana has been on a crazy tear, up 30% in just the past couple of days, which if you were in my paid community, we took profits after a 30% move on Solana. So congratulations with that. The market has made a very big move. We have Fed cuts coming, the rate cuts coming this week on September 17th. So 3 more days, September 17th, we have a lot of stuff going on. So at 2 p.m., they are going to announce their federal funds rate. They're going to announce their economic projections. They're going to be giving their statement. And then at 2:30, there's going to be a conference. So this is going to be very, very volatile, most likely going to be very volatile up until this point. And in my opinion, what we really want is we want a pullback in the next couple of days leading into rate cuts. If we keep pumping into rate cuts because the market might be pricing it in already, and it could be the buy the rumor, sell the news event. Rate cuts overall are very bullish, but the immediate effect of rate cuts, because people are anticipating rate cuts, pumping the market up before rate cuts, they're kind of pricing in the effect of rate cuts in the short period of time, which is hype, is a catalyst. So we could get a small pullback for just a couple of days, and after the market calms down and settles, I believe we're going to keep pumping and moving up further. So if we take a look at XRP, it's possible that XRP, we are breaking out right now, that we do get some type of, it's looking like we're pulling back now, maybe a pullback. It's quite possible to this region here, around $2.90, $2.80, somewhere in this region. What I think could potentially happen, could go a little bit lower, but we might get a pullback into here, maybe a little bit lower. And then I do expect us to continue pushing up. October is the most bullish time period, especially in a halving cycle. The fourth quarter is also October. That's when the volume really starts to ramp up in all investment markets. And the fourth quarter is typically just an incredibly bullish time historically. And October historically is a very bullish month for cryptocurrencies. And I do believe XRP is likely to reach all-time highs in the month of October. So I am expecting another pullback this month before the final leg of the bull market begins. In October, I'm confident that I want to be fully allocated and heavily allocated into the crypto market for the majority of the month. According to the 4-year cycle, Bitcoin should top out somewhere towards the mid or end of October. And if that is true, cryptos are going to be pumping and start pumping very, very hard, very, very soon. Within the next week or two, I think, potentially 2 to 3 more weeks maximum. And I think cryptos are going to start going absolutely crazy. If we go to the altcoin season index, we could see that we are technically in altcoin season now. Bitcoin dominance is dropping. Altcoins are outperforming Bitcoin. And that's what altcoin season is. Altcoin season is when altcoins are consistently outperforming Bitcoin. And that is what is taking place right now. Some of the biggest winners over the past 90 days is Pengu, IP, CRO, MNT, ENA, ETH at 70%, Dogecoin, Solana. These are some of the recent winners in the past 90 days. So this is personally what I'm thinking is going to happen. It may or may not happen according to this way, but I think something similar to this. Now, if you were using AlgoSniper, you would have got a sell alert before this recent pullback on XRP. And also, if you were in my private community, I did give a sell alert. So we have taken profits on XRP. We are waiting, just gonna sit in cash for this volatility this week. Could be a little crazy volatile. So I'm expecting a smaller pullback and then I'm gonna be re-entering. That's what me and my community are doing. You guys can try my community today for free. I highly recommend you try the VIP tier where I teach weekly classes and teach all of my profitable strategies. In addition, you guys can also try my AlgoSniper trading indicator. I added a new indicator called the Sniper Cloud. You could see as soon as XRP and this band flipped red, that's when the market started dumping for XRP specifically and all these other coins. You guys can try this today for free at AlgoSniper.com. And all the links I'm talking about, what I'm referring to, is going to be my video description, where I also highly recommend that you guys are trading over on Blofin. This is a platform where you can long and short cryptos up to 150x leverage. And the best thing about this platform, they give a big deposit bonus when you sign up with my link, but you have the cheapest fees on the internet. If you're going to be trading cryptos, getting in and out of positions, you want to be using a trading platform such as Blofin. And also, I recommend Kraken. That's going to be in my video description as well. Once you sign up through my link with Kraken, you're going to get bonuses and have the cheapest fees, but use Kraken Pro specifically. So you sign up with Kraken, but actually do your trading on Kraken Pro. That's going to be it for this video. If you guys got something out of this video, consider giving this video a thumbs up, subscribing with notifications on, and I'll see you later.